Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic operating system. So let's get started. Which page replacement algorithm suffers from Bilaty's anomaly, where increasing the number of page frames can result in more page faults? The correct answer is option A, FIFO, first in, first out. In the context of process management, what is the primary purpose of a context switch? The correct answer is option B, to save the state of a process so it can be resumed later. Which of the following is a characteristic of an inode in a Unix-like file system? The correct answer is option C. It contains metadata such as file size, permissions, and owner. Which I/O communication technique allows a device to transfer a block of data directly to or from main memory without continuous CPU involvement? The correct answer is option D, direct memory access, DMA. A mechanism that specifies the access rights of a user or process to a system resource is called. The correct answer is option A, access control list, ACL. In a resource allocation graph, if there is a cycle and each resource type has only one instance, what can be concluded? The correct answer is option B. A deadlock has occurred. Which scheduling algorithm is designed to provide different priorities to different types of processes, e.g., foreground versus background? The correct answer is option C, multi-level queue scheduling. A binary semaphore used to provide mutual exclusion is often referred to as a. The correct answer is option D, mutex. What is the primary function of the translation look-aside buffer, TLB? The correct answer is option A, to cache page table entries and speed up address translation. In file system management, journaling is primarily used to. The correct answer is option B, maintain system consistency in the event of a crash. What is a zombie process in Unix-based operating systems? The correct answer is option C, a process that has terminated but still has an entry in the process table. Which technique uses a high-speed buffer to hold data temporarily while it is being transferred between a fast device and a slow device? The correct answer is option D, spooling. What is the name of a program that appears to be legitimate but performs malicious actions when executed? The correct answer is option A, Trojan horse. The banker's algorithm is used primarily for. The correct answer is option B, deadlock avoidance. Priority inversion occurs when. The correct answer is option C. A high-priority process is waiting for a resource held by a low-priority process. Which of the following describes internal fragmentation? The correct answer is option D, unused space within a fixed-sized memory block allocated to a process. In Unix, a hard link differs from a soft link, symbolic link, because. The correct answer is option A. A hard link points to the inode, while a soft link points to the file name. Which component of disk access time is usually the most significant contributor to delay? The correct answer is option B, seek time. The test and set instruction is a hardware-level solution used to achieve. The correct answer is option C, atomic operations for mutual exclusion. A trap is a software-generated interrupt caused by. The correct answer is option D, an error or a specific request from a user program. Which of the following is true about safe states and deadlock avoidance? The correct answer is option A. A safe state is not a deadlock state. What does the thread control block, TCB, contain that is not shared among threads of the same process? The correct answer is option B, program counter and stack pointer. The file allocation table, FAT, scheme uses which method for disk space allocation? The correct answer is option C, linked allocation. In disk scheduling, the C-scan, circular scan, algorithm differs from scan because. The correct answer is option D. It returns to the beginning of the disk without servicing requests on the return trip. The principle of least privilege suggests that. The correct answer is option A. Users should be given only the minimum permissions necessary to perform their tasks. Which of the following is not one of the 4 necessary conditions for deadlock? The correct answer is option B, preemption. Exponential averaging is a technique used in SJF scheduling too. The correct answer is option C, predict the length of the next CPU burst. A system is thrashing when. The correct answer is option D. It spends more time paging than executing instructions. Peterson's solution is a classic software-based solution to which problem? The correct answer is option A, critical section problem. What is the purpose of the virtual file system VFS layer in an OS? The correct answer is option B, to provide a uniform interface for different types of file systems. Thank you for watching.